Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manju. I'm working as a nutrition cum wellness coach, and today I would like to share the importance of Herbalife nutrition. So many people have many doubts and queries. So why it is best option at current situation is, we all know Herbalife nutrition is the world #1 meal replacement available in 95 plus countries from past 45 years. And what is there in Herbalife? Especially we have a meal replacement world #1. It got best breakfast award in many countries, and we have a formula of patent formula that nobody can copy because it's a unique formula, and almost 350 scientists blend this nutrition with high-end technology. It's a scientifical based food and 190 times clinically tested in every stage of the seed to feed technology. Whereas in the ground level to the material level and processing level and to the every stage, even data log system, while taking care of the product, it has 24 hours, 24 months of shelf life, and it's a balanced meal. Like anybody can take, anyone can take with the right wellness coach. It's fully packed with dense with nutrients, almost 20 different varieties of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and packed with a few proteins, soya isolated protein, especially not full protein, especially soya isolated based protein, and 3 grams of fiber, and with different flavors. In India now available in 9 different flavors, and it's delicious meal also, and it is in low GI, low glycemic index, means in the body sugar levels it increases very slowly, and it satisfies our hunger and taste buds. It is in low calorie, just a meal of 200 calorie, and gluten free. So these all are the things we are looking. We need a balance, a tasty and a nutritious meal, then go with the and fast meal also. Like we can say quick meal in the busiest life. Most of the people are busy in their busy schedules, either in jobs and professions and school going or college going. They need a right nutritious meal, right? So wherever you are, approach me for the right wellness coach and right nutrition product, the right guidance. We have a group of team. We provide a free workouts, 80% nutrition guidance, not only a nutrition meal replacement. We have an additional supplementation if you have any deficiency related digestive health or skin health or joints health. We have a different category of nutrition also. But whereas it goes to the Formula 1, it's the world #1 meal replacement. No doubt, don't keep any doubts. We have a crores of satisfied customers. Please provide your details below. Sorry, I am providing my details below. You can ping me for a detailed description. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.